Hello, as you may see, my taskbar icons are in the middle, but I'd love to send it on the left corner. So how to do it? Just simply right click on your taskbar and go to taskbar setting. From here, you will find so many options like you can see the search icon will be popped up or will be bigger with the name or label or not. So you can change this from here. Just you can hide that one as well. So I'd love to go with search icon only, and some other things like widgets, and then some other things as you may see. We don't need to see them anymore. Just simply find out taskbar behavior, and from here you will find the option on top. Simply click on the center, and then you will see it is shown that the left option is available. Simply click on left and then see it has been changed and it has arrived to the left of your taskbar. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got the solution you wanted.